In this video, I will be telling you everything about the new Krauss Nano Battery Polisher. So I want to thank Jorge from Krauss Tools in Germany for sending us this new small mini polisher. The polisher doesn't come by itself, it comes as a kit, and the kit contains a solid case. It contains a charger, two 2.3 ampere 12 volt batteries. Then it comes with a couple of tools like this, and the tools you can use to equip the polisher with two orbital stroke shafts. One is a larger throw and the other is a smaller throw, and we will put in a table for you so you can check exactly how many millimeters that is. Then it comes with one rotary shaft, so you can also use it as a rotary polisher, and it comes with two backing plates. This one is 1 inch 25 millimeter and this one is 2 inch 50 millimeter, as well as pads that go for the 1 inch version and the 2 inch version. From medium to hard to wool pads, pretty much everything you need for some serious spot polishing. That's what we're gonna use this machine for on the Polo behind me. Come with me. So before we're gonna start polishing these B pillars, we're first gonna mask the parts we don't want to polish. Same goes on the front and the top end as well. And then let's see how the befores are. We see quite some swirls there. On the back door it's a little bit less, front door, back door. And the idea is to use the new Krauss Nano Battery Polisher to remove these swirls. Plug in the battery, like this. It also indicates it here on the bottom end. It's green, it's 100%. And when it's only red, then you need to change it for a full battery. Orbital stroke, the largest version. So here we go. Let me get the tool to set it up correctly. Like this. Then put on the 2 inch backing plate. Also here we're going to use the tool. I'm going to give it a first attempt with the gray delta pad. Here we go. 1 or 2 drops of Menzerna 400. Prime the pad with some orange Eco. Spread it out over the surface. Make sure the machine is on setting A. Make sure the pad is flat on the surface. I'm gonna pull the accelerator and put it on auto with my thumb. And here we go. Spread out the polish on setting A. Now let's crank the speed up and start polishing. On the sides I still see some rest swirls, and it's also not 100% back to black yet, but with a second attempt and with the following pads, yellow and Menzerna 2500, I think we'll get there. So Menzerna 2500 on the yellow delta pad from Decon. Let's go. Spread it out. Make sure the machine is on setting A. Pull the accelerator. Put it on auto. Maybe a little bit too wet from priming the pad. Pull the accelerator to switch it off and find out how we did. That looks much better. So to conclude this video on the Krauss Nano Battery Polisher, I think it's a very good machine. I think it's super versatile. In this case we used it on B pillars, but you could also perfectly use it on high gloss finishes on cars interiors. Often on Teslas or Mercedeses you see these high gloss black panels in the interior, and then with fingers or with nails they scratch as well. So that's a very good application for this machine. Also when you open the door, and on the door steps you have these high gloss finishes with, for example, a Tesla logo or a BMW logo. These are also perfect to polish with a machine like this. Like I said, it's versatile. You can equip it with a 50 or with a 25mm backing plate and or polishing pad. It all comes in with the kit. It's got 2 batteries. I think in this case I used between 7 to 10 minutes. And it still indicates green. That pretty much sums up this very versatile machine that I think should be part of every detailer's arsenal. If you'd like to see more of the Krauss Nano Battery Polisher, then click on the next video. Thanks for watching.